Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valeria and I strive to live a more sustainable life through secondhand shopping and sewing. Okay, so today I'm very excited to start off this part of my haul with these items. The first one is going to be this purple top. I think I know what I want to do with it. So this drawing that I have, this one, I kind of want to make this outline, add a scrunch here, have the black lining here, and then remove the black lining and only have like the purple pattern. I'll show you. So the shirt is like this, and it has a lining so that it's not like see-through. So I'm thinking the part that's gonna be open is just gonna have this material or this piece, and I'm hoping I can pull it off because I like in my head it looks so cute, so gotta transfer it into real life. Okay, and this one, I know I said I wanted to do like a halter top or something like that because apparently I like halter tops. But I was thinking I kind of wanted to make it into like a cowl neck type of top like that, so it kind of like hangs or whatever, does its little cowl neck thing. And I don't know what I was gonna do with the bottom, but that's as far as I got, so I think it's cute. It's gonna look like this thing right here. Very not well drawn, kind of like this. I was trying to practice like the cowl whatever, but something like that. I feel like that would look so cute, so I'm gonna try it. And then if I have time, I'll try to do something with this. I kind of like how it was like off to the side when I tried it on, like pulled it down and it was off to the side. Thought that was kind of cute, but I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with this, to be honest. That's even if I have time today because I'm still learning, so I'm going to be looking up videos on like how to sew pieces of this to make it how I want it to look. But yeah, I'm excited, so let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is kind of trace along this shirt that I already have because I like the shape of it, and then I'm gonna try on this purple shirt really quick just to see exactly where I want it to open up on the open part of the bottom piece. And yeah, we'll see how that looks and then just sew everything together. Okay, so what I did was cut out from this shirt and I put them right sides facing in so that I can sew this part so that it's lined, and then hopefully it will work out in the end. I'm not sure if I have enough fabric, but that's okay. I'll do this part, this one too, and then sew it, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I kind of want to add this to here, and then I'm going to put some elastic so it can scrunch up a little bit. Also, gonna do the bottom piece of it. How I think I'm gonna do it is sew this part, this side of the fabric onto this part, and then I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna hold that until the end. So I'll put this with the elastic at the end once I put all the panels, like the backing and the front and everything. Once all that is good, then I'm going to scrunch this to see how it looks. But yeah, I'm so excited, it's coming along. Okay, so this is how the shirt is looking right now. It looks pretty decent. I think I'm gonna extend the straps a little bit more so that it's longer down here, and then gonna add that scrunch and then cut this part open. Yeah, and then I just need to sew the sides a little bit. Oh, I'm thinking I'm gonna make this into just straps instead of like having a full back. But we'll see how that works. But yeah, I think it's turning out pretty well right now. So this is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good, except there were some minor mistakes I did. So I need to sew this part a little bit more. I didn't do the backwards lining, so the back is a little botched, but I'll fix it up or something. But yeah, I think it turned out really good for my first attempt in like making something like this. It's getting a little too dark, so I'm just going to make the other pieces a different day and I'll show you how that goes as well. Okay, so the next one is going to be this shirt. So yeah, I want to make it into like a cowl neck. I think I'm going to try to use a pattern like one that I draw out myself because it's getting a little difficult trying to figure everything out, and I feel like it's a little bit more time consuming than it should be. So hopefully I have enough fabric with this to create just like some type of cowl neck. And then I don't know if I want to like incorporate these sleeves like to tie it in the back somehow. I think that would be kind of cute. Something like this would be kind of cool. We'll see how it works out, and let's get started. I'm gonna follow the outline of this dress that I have because I like the shape of it, and then I'm going to cut this out for the back piece of the shirt. And then this video that I looked up, it showed me how to make a cowl neck, so hopefully that works out. Yeah. So this is how it is so far, the little cowl neck thing going on. I'm so excited. It looks crazy how patterns make it easier. The back side is this. Yeah, I'll hem these parts right here, wherever I need a hem. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do at the bottom because, yeah, what is this? And this bottom piece too, like this is the front of the old t-shirt, but it's like the back now. I don't know if I should keep the like this bottom piece. That would look kind of cool. But anyways, we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I pressed all the edges so that it would be easier to sew. Now I pinned them down and now I'm just gonna sew. This is the top so far. I'm going to basically make it a shirt now. So I'll sew the sides, the shoulder part, and yeah, it's coming along. I'm so excited. So this is the finished shirt. I think it turned out super good. Honestly, I need to start using patterns a little bit more because it gives you more vision to it and more structure. So yeah, I love the cowl neck. The back is just pretty simple. I kept the buttons because otherwise this was gonna be like super short. But yeah, I'm excited to wear this for this summer. I was honestly super excited about this pattern and I'm glad that it turned out like this. This man is always vibing with the speaker. It's so fun. Oh my goodness. You can always hear when he's either like leaving or coming back. Okay, so surprise, it's a new day. I also got a microphone, so hopefully the audio is better. Today, I'm just going to do a halter top on this tank. Should be easy. I hope it doesn't take too long. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to hem the bottom parts and then this back part and then sew these together and then eventually figure out how long to make the halter part. So this is how the halter top turned out. This is the back. Honestly, for not really following a pattern, I think it's pretty well made. A few changes that I would do is just maybe taking off a few more inches of the bottom, and then I don't know, maybe doing like a little dart here or something. But other than that, it was super easy, and yeah, I'm really glad I made this one into a halter top, so at least I got one halter top out of this thrift flip. Thank you so much for watching. I did a whole thrift haul in the video before. If you want to check that out, you can see all the tops that I'm going to thrift flip in my next upcoming videos. Bye!